Hello everyone. In this video, I will be talking about IELTS Journal Writing Task 2 and I will be discussing the types of questions that are asked in IELTS Journal Writing Task 2 and also I will be telling about the opening lines that can be used when you are writing the essays. So let's quickly come to the brief introduction for IELTS Journal Writing Task 2. So essays are asked in IELTS Journal Writing Task 2. The essays should be written in 250 to 280 words. This is a word limit. 4 paragraphs are mandatory and spend 40 minutes. So IELTS writing test is for 1 hour. So it is recommended that 20 minutes should be spent on letter and 40 minutes on the essay writing. So let's quickly discuss the format of the essay. In the format of the essay, 4 paragraphs are mandatory. The first paragraph is about paraphrasing. Paraphrasing the question means you have to write the question in your own words without changing the meaning of the sentences. Paragraph 2, you have and paragraph 3, you have to write what is asked in the essay. And the paragraph 4 is the conclusion of the essay. So the types of the questions. So in the types of the questions, 4 types of questions are asked in the IELTS General Writing Task 2. The first one is the strong opinion type. In the strong opinion type, one side of the question should be discussed. Means like if you are asked a question and they are saying whether you agree or disagree with the statement. So either you have to write about yes, you agree and you have to give your opinion regarding that, or if you disagree, you have to just write about why you disagree. In both paragraphs, discuss your opinion with the help of examples. The second one is the balanced opinion. Balanced opinion means both sides of the questions should be discussed, means you agree with the statement as well as you disagree with the statement. So in one paragraph, you have to explain why you agree with it, and in the second paragraph, you have to explain why you disagree with the statement. So here, in the balanced opinion type questions, you can start your after paraphrasing the second para, you can start with the line on this can be the opening line on the one hand, and for the paragraph 3 you can say on the contrary. So these can be the opening lines for para 2 and para 3 in the balanced opinion question. So the third type of question that is asked is advantages and disadvantages type. So you will be given a question and they will ask about the advantages and the disadvantages. So in one paragraph, like after paraphrasing, which is P1, paragraph 1, the second paragraph, you have to talk about the advantages. And in the paragraph third, you have to talk about the disadvantages. The last one, the fourth type of questions that can be asked in the Ask General Writing Task 2 is problem and solution type. In the problem and solution type questions, in one paragraph, you have to talk about the cause of the problem, causes why the problem occurred. And in another paragraph, you have to talk about the solutions. So these are the 4 types of questions that are asked in the IELTS General Writing Task 2. Now let's quickly discuss some of the opening lines that can be used when you're writing all the paragraphs in the essays. Let's start with the first paragraph. Paragraph 1 is paraphrasing the question. So suppose you're getting a question in which the question is like some people say this, some people say that. So you how you can begin it, how you can paraphrase it, you can start with people have different opinions. Suppose if you're getting a question in which the starting is many people, so you can use a word instead of many people, majority of the people. Or you can start your answer, the paraphrasing with it has been generally felt. The other way is it is widely accepted. It is quite clear that. It is particularly significant that. So now next is the paragraph 2. The paragraph 2 is about if you're getting the question like of problems and solutions. So suppose you're getting about problems, so you can start the writing the problems with the opening lines can be there is no smoke without fire, or you can say no problem crops up from the vacuum. In the paragraph 3, you have to talk about the solutions, or if you are getting agree or disagree question, then you can talk about why you disagree with it in the paragraph 3. So you can start with every lock has a key, every problem has a solution. The other way of starting the paragraph is every disease has a remedy, every rose has a thorn, or you can say on the contrary, on the flip side, on the other hand. So this is when you are so this is when you are writing the causes solution type essays, and this is when you are comparing two things or you are writing the balanced essay. So the fourth one is the conclusion. So now in the conclusion part, just make sure that you start your conclusion with the bottom line is, or all in all, or you can say in a nutshell, to cap it all, or the last one, it can be concluded that. So that's all about this video. That's all about the IELTS journal writing task 2 types of questions. I hope you liked the video. Please subscribe my channel. Please like, comment and share.